In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error 529. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and check if this is a global outage. So you can do this by searching is Roblox down. You will get websites like these, and this website will tell you if Roblox is down. You'll get spikes, like red, very long spikes. So if that's the case, then all you have to do is just wait a few minutes and your issue should be fixed. If you're having a different issue, however, you want to go here and go to your internet, right click, go to settings, and here you will see your internet. Now down here, you'll scroll down and go to DNS service assignment. Click edit, then here choose manual, then enable IPv4, and here you will write this. So here you'll type 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. After that, you want to click save and you will close this down. And then you can close this down and this should fix your issue.